Sport is a challenge with the others, with ourselves, and our limits. It is effort, emotion, sacrifice, and sweat. The heart already beats before the competition. The goal is just over the white line. It is difficult to break records. Every time, a new limit to overcome. Every time, an evolution, an emotion. Every time, the fear to get injured, to fail. It is necessary to help the athlete, even improving the means where his effort takes place, to safeguard his health, to project him towards new records, because he understands there is a team working silently for him. Mondo, starting from these assumptions, has developed a new track system able to meet the following parameters. 1. Respect human physiology. 2. Respect the human body's movement. 3. Improve athletic performance. 4. Protect the athlete. And 5. Protect the environment. Our research starts from a careful observation of the biomechanics of the foot. An athlete's foot can exert forces that are 4 times greater than his or her weight. The performance of a track depends on its ability to properly interact with the force of a foot as it hits the track surface and propels the athlete forward. The new mondotrack provides optimal support and assistance to the foot's movement and guarantees the best athletic performance. Rolling of the foot between the 5th metatarsus, or the outside portion of the foot, and the 1st metatarsus, or the inside portion of the foot, takes a nominal but measurable amount of time to perform. Our research enabled us to develop a track and field system that would reduce this time interval, making it faster, while supporting the foot movement. We believe that a reduction of the single intervals of the motor execution would result in faster race times. Observing the athlete from a lateral perspective shows that during running, the foot loads itself without the heel touching the ground. During this biomechanical movement, the track can play an important role, both from a protective standpoint, maintaining the physical integrity of the athlete, and from a performance standpoint, allowing the maximum amount of this force to be transformed into energy for running movements. Mondo's new surface embossing is the result of a careful analysis of a number of patterns, including biomimicry patterns occurring in nature, geometric, and technological. The new Mondo track texture and tessellation pattern with no overlapping shapes or gaps is the best solution for functionality, performance, and comfort. The irregular size and shape of the tessellation pattern has been designed to provide the best traction between the track and the shoe spikes for a greater area of contact than other track systems. This improves the athlete's grip and performance. The irregular tessellation design with its highly efficient water drainage channels eliminates water pools, ensuring optimal traction in all weather conditions for excellent athletic performance and maximum safety. The irregular tessellation design provides more harmonious aesthetics than recurring or systematic patterns, which can have dissonant or jarring effects. The hexagon shape, which resembles a honeycomb, is well known in nature and physics for its strength and resiliency. We believe that by extending the honeycomb's length while reducing its width, we could develop a track backing that achieved biomechanical characteristics of optimal performance, control, and comfort. The directional compression of the honeycomb backing makes the track more elastic and responsive, improving the athlete's performance. The elongated honeycomb is structurally strong and provides improved lateral support and therefore better control during the rolling movement of the foot. The force of the foot's impact, which is exerted on the track via the fifth metatarsus right after the flight phase, causes a lateral deformation of the honeycomb backing of the new mondotrack, which makes the rolling movement on the first metatarsus easier than with existing track products. The forces at play in the thrust phase, seen both from the frontal and the axial planes, are amplified by the biomechanics of the honeycomb structure of the new mondotrack. Not only does the new mondotrack provide a greater level of comfort than other track designs, which was clearly perceived by the athletes during testing, but its responsiveness and honeycomb structure design enable a higher level of performance as the track reacts to the forces at play with optimal results, including excellent energy return. Also in the thrust phase, at the precise moment when the foot makes contact with the track surface, the compression of the honeycomb backing and the air contained inside increase their response. This leads to better performance and greater protection of the athlete's musculoskeletal system than other track products. Starting for the coming sport events, Mondo will be present with its technology. We want to continue keeping the athlete, his sport performance, and his safety the center of our studies and development of our products. We know how much exertion and sweat cost the athlete when he's on the starting blocks, how many economical and emotional investments have been made in order to be there, ready to reach the winning post. We would like to continue standing by him like silent team members to help him in attaining his goals and overcoming his limits.